Hey folks, David here. I just got back from Baltimore. I was visiting my friends Bob and Diane. Bob has been a friend of mine for almost 40 years from the Marine Corps. So it's great to see him today. Um, Bob had lost an uncle not too long ago, and he was cleaning up his house and he found some N scale trains and track and accessories. And he was good enough to save the things for me because he knew that I like trains. So I have a bunch of things to show you. And well, let me turn the camera on and show you what he got for me. So the first thing here to show you is he got me a box full of track. Right here are some turnouts and some terminals or connector track here. I'm not going to take all of this out. More track, more track. There's a ton of Pico turnouts here, Ys, and left hand, right hand switches. So you can see there's a ton of that. These are the turnouts and the controls for the turnouts right there. It's got all the screws and everything in it. And some more track. So when I'm ready to expand the N gauge layout, I'm all set here on track and connectors and turnouts and switches and all that good stuff. All right, let me show you the other box. Okay, we got a ton of rolling stock and some locomotives in here. There's a flat car, a couple cattle cars, Southern Pacific boxcar, Union Pacific caboose, the Katy serves the Southwest, a Rio Grande, there's a Chessie coal car, Southern Pacific caboose, there's a Union Pacific boxcar, a Southern Pacific boxcar, Southern Pacific, Union Pacific, Great Northern, there's a Dow tanker car, let's see, is that all of the rolling stock? No, we have some more rolling stock here. Pacific Fruit Express, Southern Pacific, Southern Pacific tank car. Oh, these are really cool. Southern Pacific coach cars, passenger car. This goes with it. And the Southern Pacific baggage car. Okay, I think that's all the rolling stock. Let me arrange this here and check out the locomotives. Oh, no, we got more rolling stock. Okay. You got a Wabash. Some of these wheels are missing and they're in the box. So I'll have to put some of these together. They've got KD couplers on them. Oh yeah, these guys. Utah Copper. That's Union Pacific. That's Union Pacific. That's Union, no, that's Thunder Bay Mining. There's a bay window caboose, Western Pacific. Another ore car, Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe. Okay, now are we going to the locos? Yes. Okay, that's a Kato Southern Pacific, or Kato, however you say it. Looks like a GP38 maybe. Here is a Pennsylvania locomotive. That's a Kato, or Kato, however you say it. Here is a little Santa Fe loco in here. Docksider 040 switcher. I love these tiny little locomotives. The detail in these. This is the last one. I thought there was another box. No, I know what's in here. Okay. These are really cool. Let me get them out for you. Okay, that's 462 AT and SF locomotive there with a coal tender. This is made in Italy, I think. So maybe that's an AHM, I don't know. And look at this guy here. Was that a 210-4? That's pretty cool. And it has a Southern Pacific coal tender. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so I wanted to organize these just a little bit so we can see what we have and take a good look at them. So yeah, this is everything that I got here. So 2 nice diesel engines, 2 steam locomotives, a switcher, a passenger car and a baggage car, and then all these there's about like 3 cattle cars, there's a coal car, container car, I forget what you call those, 2 tanker cars, ore cars over here. So nice collection of stuff there. That's really cool. I'll take these up and see if they run. All right, see you upstairs in a minute. Okay, let's first try out the little switcher here. Okay, next we have the Kato diesel. Okay, we have the Pennsylvania. Okay, the Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe 462. There we go. Come on. You can do it. Okay, needs a little bit of cleanup on that. Okay, the Southern Pacific 210-4. I was worried that wouldn't make it around the curves. All right, thank you so much to Bob for thinking of me and saving these trains. They will definitely be enjoyed and used, and I'll have a good time with them. And as always, it was great to see you and Diane. So thanks again, and thank you everyone for watching.